is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. Lunch.
Peppa and George have come to Peppa and George's house for lunch.
Thank you.
Hello, my little ones. Would you like to pick some vegetables from the garden for lunch?
No. Grandpa Pig! Grandpa Pig!
Hello, Peppa, George.
This is Grandpa Pig's vegetable garden.
All these vegetables himself. What's this?
Dinosaurs.
A dinosaur. Ho, 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 ho. Let's choose some vegetables for lunch. Peppa, do you like tomatoes?
No. Grandpa Pig.
George, do you like tomatoes?
Yes. George likes tomatoes.
Oh dear. Do you both like lettuce?
No!
Grandpa Pig. Yes. George likes lettuce.
Oh, I must have something that George likes. Do you like cucumber?
Yes.
George liked cucumbers, and he liked lettuce, and he liked tomatoes.
Well, George, what vegetable do you like?
Yes. George, chocolate cake is a vegetable.
Maybe George will like the vegetables when they're made into a lovely sass.